Hi guys, good morning to all of you. Hope you are doing well. Welcome back again to this channel about job. In this video, I will share with you job openings from Kuwait. It's a Gulf country. I hope you all know this. So today we'll know what the job openings from Kuwait and what is the requirements to apply for this job and what is the applying process. So all the details you can discuss in this video. So let's discuss what the job openings from Kuwait. So you can see here urgently required for a leading group of companies for their refrigeration maintenance project in Kuwait. The client interview will be held in Chennai in India on 21st April 2024. So the address is right here. You can note it. The time is from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. So the very important point is you have to go to the descriptions below this video. You can collect this official address so that you can reach to the office to attend the client interview. This is very important. So let's know what is the positions. First, refrigeration engineer. So if you are really eligible for the refrigeration engineer and if you have the proper skills, proper qualifications, proper experience, then you can apply as soon as possible and you can attend the client interview. The salary details right here. Candidate must have the hold the engineering from a mechanical and electrical field. Candidates must have minimum 3 to 5 years of experience. This is the minimum requirements to apply for this job. Next, installation and commissioning engineer. For this profile, you should have the proper educational qualifications as per mentioned right here, and you should have the proper experience as per mentioned right here, so that you can apply for this job and you can visit to the official address to attend the client interview. So next, refrigeration technicians. For these positions, you should have a diploma or ITI from a relevant field and minimum 3 to 5 years of experience in the relevant field so that you can apply for this job and you can attend the client interview. Next, cold room technicians. For these positions, you should have a diploma or ITI from a relevant field and you should have minimum to 3 to 7 years of experience to apply for this job. Next, ammonia plant operators. For these positions, you should have a diploma or trade certificate holder from a relevant field and minimum 5 years of experience in this relevant field. Next, heavy driver. For a heavy driver positions, you should have a proper driving license and you should have minimum 5 years of experience for driving. Then you can apply for this job. The salary details for every positions are right here. You can read it. So age limit should be below 35 years. Must have passport validity more than 2.5 years. There are very important points. Please listen it very carefully. Otherwise, you can go to the descriptions below this video and you can collect all the informations and you can read it by yourself so that you can understand better all the informations. Accommodation, transportation and overtime will be provided by the company. If you wish to apply the desired positions, you can apply at this official email address. So let me clear to you, for any of these positions, if you are interested and if you have the proper qualifications and experience, then first of all you need to forward your updated CV with all experience certificates and educational certificates to the given official email ID. After that, you can visit to the official address as per mentioned right here. You can attend the client interview. So first of all, your job is to be applied by this official email ID to sending your updated CV, and you can contact to the number and you can visit to the official address as above mentioned so that you can attend the client interview. So I hope you understand all the things what I'm sharing with you right now. Again, I repeat, please go to the description below this video. All information is there. Read it carefully by yourselves. If you are really eligible for any of these positions, you can sending your updated CV to the given official email ID and you can reach to the office for attending client interview in this address. So sincere request to share this information to the candidates having a dream to move Kuwait with a job in these positions, and I hope you understand all the things what I already shared with you in this Kuwait job requirements. So best of luck